Hi guys, this is Devmallo Chakraborty here. In this video, I am going to discuss about the thoughts in Indian classical music. If we want to learn Indian classical music in a proper way, then we need to have a great knowledge of thoughts because thoughts are the basic building blocks of ragas. So at first, see the definition of thought. We know that one octave consists of 12 notes or 12 swaras. Thought is basically a combination of any 7 notes between these 12 notes. In an octave there is 12 number of notes. From these 12 notes, take any 7 notes. The combination of these 7 notes is defined as thought. Okay, thought is actually the origin of raga. In Indian classical music, there is 10 number of thoughts defined by legends. So total number of thoughts in Indian classical music is 10. All the ragas have been originated from any of these 10 thoughts. But Rag Charukeshi is an exception here because this is a raga of modern era. So we can't define a thought or source for this particular raga. Okay, so let's move on to the next slide. Here I have written the notation table. This is actually for your reference. After this video, I will share the link for this PPT in the description below, so you can easily access it and read it. Now I will illustrate these 10 thoughts. Here I have written name of these 10 thoughts and their respective notations. So number 1 is Vilaval thought. In Vilaval thought, there is all notes are Shuddha. Ragas like Durga, Alhaya Vilaval have been originated from Vilaval thought. Okay, so let me illustrate the Vilaval thought. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni. This is Vilaval thought. Number 2 is Kalyan thought. In Kalyan thought, only the Madhyam note is Tivra and rest all notes are Shuddha. Ragas like Bhupali, Yeman, Bihag have been originated from Kalyan thought. Let me illustrate Kalyan thought. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni. This is Kalyan thought. Number 3 is Khamach thought. In Khamach thought, only the Nishad note is Komal and all rest notes are Shuddha. Ragas like Ragesri, Khamach have been originated from Khamach thought. So let me illustrate Khamach thought. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni. This is Khamach thought. Number 4 is Bhairav thought. In Bhairav thought, Rishav and Dhaivat are Komal and rest all notes are Shuddha. Ragas like Bhairav, Ahir Bhairav, Nad Bhairav have been originated from Bhairav thought. Let me explain Bhairav thought. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni. This is Bhairav thought. Number 5 is Purvi thought. In Purvi thought, Rishav is Komal, Madhyam is Tivra and Dhaivat is Komal and rest all notes are Shuddha. Ragas like Purvi, Puriya Dhanashri have been originated from Purvi That. Let me explain Purvi That. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni. This is Purvi That. Number 6 is Marwa That. In Marwa That, Rishabh is Komal and Madhyam is Tivra, and rest all notes are Shuddha. Ragas like Marwa, Puriya have been originated from Marwa That. Let me illustrate the Marwa That. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni. This is Marwa That. Number 7 is Bhairavi That. In Bhairavi That, Rishabh is Komal, Gandhar is Komal, Dhaivat is Komal, and Nishad is Komal. And rest all notes are Shuddha. Ragas like Bhairavi, Malkaush have been originated from Bhairavi That. Let me explain Bhairavi That. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni. This is Bhairavi That. Number 8 is Asavari That. In Asavari That, Gandhar is Komal, Dhaivat is Komal, and Nishad is Komal. Besides, all notes are Shuddha. Ragas like Jaunpuri have been originated from Asavari That. Let me explain Asavari That. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni. This is Asavari That. Number 9 is Kafi That. In Kafi That, Gandhar is Komal and Nishad is Komal, and rest all notes are Shuddha. Ragas like Kafi, Jog have been originated from Kafi That. So let me illustrate Kafi That. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni. This is Kafi That. Okay. And number 10 is Tori That. In Tori That, Rishabh is Komal, Gandhar is Komal, Madhyam is Tivra, and Dhaivat is Komal. Okay. And all notes are Shuddha. Ragas like Tori, Miyaki Tori, Gurjari Tori, Bilaskhani Tori have been originated from Tori That. So let me explain Tori That. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni. This is Tori That. Okay. So this is for today. Thanks for listening. If you find my video helpful, then please do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will never miss any update. Thank you.